Hello YouTube, welcome to Barcelona. So we arrived in Barcelona yesterday night. We were supposed to get in at around noon, but because of a lot of delayed flights, missed connections, and in general like a lot of airport drama, we ended up getting in here at midnight. So a bit bummed out because we missed our first day in Barcelona, but it's okay because we're finally here and we have a lot planned for today. So we're staying in this really cute hostel which is like literally in the center of Barcelona, and it's a really comfortable room. I mean, we have a cozy bed, we have an ensuite bathroom, which I was a bit worried about. I was hoping that we wouldn't have to share our bathroom with the entire floor of the hostel. But we have an ensuite bathroom, and the best thing about our room is this. We have our own balcony. This is such a gorgeous view. I mean, it literally like opens up into like the main street in Barcelona, and it is amazing. And it's not even that cold. I mean, I imagine it to be like freezing because I'm from Mumbai and anything below 20 degrees is freezing for me, but the weather is actually really nice. And like I said, we have a lot planned for today, so let's go. Starting today at Parc Güell or Parc Güell, I don't know how it's pronounced, but it's basically a park that was designed by Gaudi, who is one of Spain's most famous and like one of their best architects. It's a really cool park, and I think Gaudi's architecture is also amazing because it has like this gothic organic look to it. You'll see when I show you a couple of monuments around the park, but we're gonna go inside now, so let's go. This place is like Disneyland. I mean, all the monuments and the houses are so cute, and because they're like covered with this like white tile or like white marble, I think it looks like they're covered by snow if you see them from afar, and yeah, they just look extremely cute. And we're at the top of the park, and you can get a beautiful view of Barcelona from here. Like you can see all the way out into where like the ocean is, and it's amazing. So we're done with the Parc Güell. It was really nice. I mean, apart from just being like a tourist attraction, it's also a really good place to walk around. There were so many families with their dogs, and it was just really nice. We've now stopped for some lunch, and as you can see, it is a beautiful sunny day today, so we're gonna have some sangria and food, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Oh my god, that lunch was amazing. We had this like tomato bread thing, which was just literally bread with like tomato paste and olive oil, but the olive oil was so delicious. It was unbelievable. We are now at La Rambla, which is like one of the major shopping / pedestrian streets here in Barcelona, and it is buzzing. There are so many people, there are so many shops selling souvenirs and ice cream, and it's just really lively and amazing. We are currently at La Sagrada Familia. Say hi. Yeah, so like I said, this is probably one of Barcelona's biggest tourist attractions, and it is gorgeous. So one of the things about this church is that they started the construction in 1909 and they still haven't finished it. So there are still places where you can see like cranes and like different corners of the church which are still under construction. And even though they started the construction in 1909, the one thing that you can't help but notice the minute you enter the cathedral is how different and how modern it is compared to the other churches in Europe. I mean, the architecture in this place is magnificent, and it has a sort of like natural theme to it. Like as soon as you enter, there's this one door which is beautiful, and it has like leaves, butterflies, like birds, different things sort of carved into it, and it just looks magnificent. The ceilings are super tall, and I don't know, I fell in love with it the minute I entered. La Sagrada Familia, and now we are back on La Ramblas, and it is more alive than we left it in the afternoon. It's like glistening with crystal. It has been lit up with Christmas lights, and it's looking amazing and so alive and just beautiful. Good morning YouTube. Today is day 2 in Barcelona. Today we are going to Montserrat. I don't really know how to pronounce that, but it's basically this like mountain which is very close to Barcelona, and you can do like a cable car ride all the way to the top, and at the top apparently there is a monastery which is very beautiful. So we're doing that today, and we have a special dinner planned also. So we're now at the station, and we missed our train by like a minute, and we have an hour to go before the next train. So yeah, we have nothing to do but sit here and eat some chips and wait some more. And we're finally in the train. Have reached Montserrat. We're surrounded by mountains on almost all sides, and the monastery is also beautiful. It has like this kind of Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones kind of feel, and it is just gorgeous. So we're just gonna like look around this place, and then there is a boys choir that takes place every day at 1 p.m. in the monastery, which is supposed to be really good. So we're gonna check that out as well. So we are now at, I'm guessing, the highest point that you can get through the means of some sort of transport. So we came through something called a funicular, which was like a really steep train, and now we're just going on a short hike to another church, and then we're going to go down back to the monastery. So we've decided to walk back to the monastery because it's just 30 minutes to walk back down and it's all downhill, so pretty easy. And as usual, the view is magnificent, so that's what we're doing, just enjoying the view and walking back down. Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm like completely tucked into bed. So we had dinner, which was absolutely amazing. It was one of the best steaks I've had in my life. But I couldn't vlog much during dinner because I mean the restaurant was pretty full and the food was so good that I was a bit distracted from vlogging. But we had dinner, we came back home, we finished our packing, I mean at least like 99% of it, and we have to wake up at like 2:30 or like 2:30 a.m. to catch our flight. So we're going to go to sleep now. It's like 10:30-ish right now, but we're going to go to sleep anyway because we have a long day ahead of us, including travel. So I think I'm going to end this vlog right now. So if you like this vlog, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel vlogs or just like daily vlogs in general, as well as like food, fashion, beauty related videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.